Hello and welcome to the Chakra Way Meditation Podcast. I'm Roseanne, your host and guide. So in this meditation, we are finishing this little series of connecting the chakras, and we are going to harmonize your crown chakra with each of the other 6 energy centers in your energetic body. The crown chakra at the top of your head is the gateway to universal wisdom, to spiritual connection, to healing. And as we journey through the chakras, you'll experience the light of the crown infusing each one and offering a balance and guidance and a really profound healing. The crown chakra has an energy that is quite unique. It is our gateway to connection to the universe. It connects us to our spirituality, to our belief system. And it has such an aura of awe that pervades it. It is all too easy, however, to lose ourselves in the blissful serenity of the crown chakra. Once we find this cosmic connection, it is a beautiful place of refuge from the pressures of our lives. But we must not forget that we are earthly beings, that it is our role to live our earthly human lives. So connecting and bringing the energy of the crown chakra into the rest of the subtle body allows us to experience the Sahasrara energy without losing ourselves in the clouds. So for today's meditation, I want you to take a seated position. So when you're ready, let's get started. So find a comfortable seated position with your spine tall, but your body relaxed. If you're sitting, place the backs of your hands onto your thighs. You can join the first finger and thumb on each hand and gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Allow your belly to rise. And then slowly exhale, letting your shoulders soften. Just focus gently on your breath, letting it flow naturally, rhythmically. Just check in with your body, make sure that you're present. Feel the weight of yourself sitting on your support. Feel the breath in your body. So let's begin by connecting with the crown chakra. Bring your attention to the space just above the top of your head. The crown chakra is not within your body, but just atop your head, sitting within your aura. And it holds a luminous, iridescent, violet white light with a pure crystalline energy. You can visualize it as an infinitely opening lotus flower, its petals peeling open. Visualize or feel into this radiance for a moment. So bring your awareness now to the base of your spine, to the root chakra, and sense a deep red light glowing here. Feel its connection to the earth, grounding you. This is your center of stability, safety, and connection to the physical world. So now imagine the soft white light of the crown chakra above your head cascading downward and blending with the red light. Feel this energy as a warm embrace, bringing divine reassurance that you are supported and safe. The crown's light whispers, you are safe, you are supported. Allow this connection to deepen, reinforcing your sense of stability and spiritual security. Silently repeat, I am grounded and spiritually protected. Now move your attention to your lower abdomen, to the sacral chakra, and here see an orange light glowing. Here at the Sahasrara, your center of emotions, creativity and pleasure, and envisage the white light from your crown infusing this orange light with clarity and divine inspiration. Feel this connection dissolve emotional blocks and ignite joyful creation. Imagine the crown chakra's white light flowing into the orange, harmonizing your emotions with higher wisdom. Feel this light bringing clarity to your feelings, helping you process them with love and without judgment. And say to yourself, I honor my emotions and express them with divine understanding. Now gently draw your focus to your solar plexus, just above the belly button. And here you can see a beautiful bright yellow light shining here, embodying your personal power and confidence, your willpower and personal identity. And again, the crown's energy descends once more, blending with this yellow light. Feel this infusion strengthen your sense of purpose, giving you the courage to act with wisdom and integrity. And silently repeat, I am powerful and my actions are guided by higher awareness. Now gently bring your awareness to your heart chakra at the center of your chest. And here see this heart center glowing in green or pink light. Here is the seat of love, compassion and connection. Watch as the light from the crown flows down into your heart, filling your heart space, healing old wounds and expanding your capacity for unconditional love. Feel the universal energy reminding you that you are deeply loved and supported. And let this love extend to yourself and others. And within your mind affirm, I I give and receive love freely, guided by divine light. Now draw your attention up towards your throat, and within the throat chakra sense a glowing, serene blue light. This is your center of communication, self-expression and truth. Feel the crown chakra's light flowing into your throat. It empowers you to speak with authenticity and wisdom, clearing away fear and doubt. Imagine your words carrying the energy of truth and compassion. You feel empowered to speak your truth with kindness and authenticity, knowing your words are aligned with higher wisdom. And confirm this by saying to yourself, I express myself freely and authentically, guided by divine truth. So gently turn your focus to the space between your eyebrows, to the third eye chakra. Here radiates an indigo blue light. And here is held your intuition and insight. Feel the crown's energy descending like a beam of divine light into the indigo center, sharpening your inner vision and deepening your connection to universal wisdom. Feel a deep alignment between your intuition and spiritual awareness. And say to yourself, I trust my intuition and see clearly through divine guidance. And repeat silently, I trust my intuition and see with clarity. Finally, let's return awareness to the crown chakra at the very top of the head. Envisage it as the lotus flower opening, each petal radiating white light. Feel this light pouring down through your entire energetic body, harmonizing and balancing all the chakras. Know that you are deeply connected to the universe, and this divine energy is always accessible to you. Feel how each chakra below is now aligned, harmonized and infused with the crown's light. You are grounded, emotionally balanced, confident, loving, expressive, intuitive, and spiritually connected. And now repeat to yourself, I am connected to the divine and to the universal flow of love and wisdom. I am whole. I am connected to the divine and to the universal flow of love and wisdom. I am whole. I am connected to the divine and to the universal flow of love and wisdom. I am whole. So let's take a deep breath in and out. And again, another beautiful soft deep breath in as you feel this work that you have done settle within your body. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical body, feeling the support beneath you. Bring a small amount of movement into your fingers, your toes. And when you are ready, slowly, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of alignment and connection with you into your day. Om Shanti. Thank you so much for joining me today on this Chakra Way Meditation podcast. I feel this meditation really kind of fosters a profound sense of integration, and I want you to really feel into this and really experience the Crown Chakra's universal energy as a unifying force for your entire being. I know in previous meditations we have been connecting pairs, but now with the crown you can see the profound, it cannot be paired with just one because it affects and moves us and heals us throughout the energetic body. I feel this is a really special meditation and I hope that you do too. If you've enjoyed it, please share with your friends, with your family, and rate and review. It means a lot to me. And if you are intrigued, if you feel moved by this and you want to work with me, the new year is never a better time to start a new project. Whether you want to join yoga classes, whether you want to have some one-to-ones with me, or whether you want to embark on really a deep integration and learning and healing of your chakras and your energetic body, all of that information you can find at my website, chakra-way.com. And if you found during that meditation that there was one chakra that felt particularly difficult, blocked, resistant, then maybe a chakra reading is something that would be useful to you to find out what that is about. So until next time, sending you so much love. Take care.